Alright, Gabby.
Hi guys. This is the best.
The best what?
No.
Today's December 17. Today's December 17, Gabby, right?
Yep.
I got one. Today's December 17, 2020, and it's snow.
Again.
There's a lot of snow. Okay, let's go to the park.
Okay.
Go walk forward. Go walk forward. I'm gonna follow you. Okay, come on. Alright, look at the snow.
Can I pick this up?
Pick that up.
Huh?
You pick that up?
Yep.
Alright. Okay, Gabby. Once there's like color yellow in it, probably
pick it up.
there's a dog pee on it. Okay, come on, let's go straight to the park first. Okay, let's go. Come on. Go. Okay. People try to clear the path in front of their houses. Okay. Look at the car covered with snow. This is a good like 5 to 6 inches. Okay, come on, so that we can go to the park. Come on.
Help me up. There's icicles on that car.
See, that's like icicles. Alright, you have the cutie behind you, huh? Alright. Gabby, stay on this side. Hi, doggy.
Hello.
Hi. Oh, see? Got a jacket. She got a jacket with her. See? Alright. Okay, come on.
So what happened? Daddy, can you...
What?
It's choking me. I just... No, this...
Okay.
This is...
Oh, look at the neighbors shoveling their driveway.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Gabby. And look at the nativity over here. Covered with snow.
Yikers.
Oh, and look at the car. Can't get
I
out.
wonder about how yours is. I wonder if it has icicles. Oh my goodness. This is ice.
Come on. Gabby, don't go underneath like the post or something. Because icicles might go down. Hold that is in. This car traveling.
Oh my.
See the road. The road is covered with snow. People are trying to dig up so that they can have their cars out. Okay, now be careful. This is ice, see? Be careful. Good thing you have the snow boots.
These are mommies.
What?
These are mommies.
See? Even though with the snow boots or snowshoes. Come on, stand up. So what is your advice to the kids or people, you know, walking, Gabby? Look at the camera.
To wear snow boots.
Snow boots and what?
Snow pants.
Okay.
Scarf, mask always, and gloves like these. looks like virtual reality gloves. Because you know, when you're in virtual reality, she was like.
See, it's slippery. Let's go. Just move it. Don't pick it up. Okay. Uh-oh. Come on, come on. That's a lot of snow. Be careful. Okay. Now they have a snow blower. Okay. This is Gabby's school. And okay, Gabby. Go forward, go forward. We're gonna go to the park.
Look at that.
See, there's a new house over here.
Yeah. If COVID wasn't here, this would be called a snow day.
Yeah. Alright. Okay. Gabby, we're gonna go for the park to see. Say something.
So it's very deep. I look like a mountain park.
Okay. No, stand up. Stand up. Okay, now this is the portion that people haven't shoveled yet. Okay.
That's
I'm
my
gonna
friend's
see you.
house.
Gabby, say see you in part 2.
See you for part 2.